happening with that?
You can't see us.
People are panicking. We don't know anything.
Where's the horse?
Some say it was occupied by the bridge.
Yeah, shit. Maybe get some water. Huh?
I'm not a fucking vet. I'm not gonna go head to head with a fucking horse. But are you sure you can drive?
Fuck off and go to the park. I'm not gonna tell you again, okay?
What we gonna do with $20?
Get the fuck out of here. Oh. Yeah, right. I want to see it.
Look! Stupid boy.